Well, if you missed it, we cut down a gigantic ash tree that was hanging out over my garden. And that went really well. But we've got to answer the question. Do chickens like ham? And I already know the answer to this, but let me give you a little background just so you don't think I'm throwing good ham to the chickens. I bought a really cheap ham, like on clearance. They had a whole bunch of them. I don't remember the brand, but it ended up being 99 cents a pound. And I knew it was a cheap ham, but when I tried it, it wasn't bad. It was like spoiled bad. It just didn't have the flavor that I'm used to in ham. So I cut it up and I bought it for the purpose of making ham and potato casserole, and it was okay in that. I took it to church and the people at church loved it, but you can only eat so much ham and potato casserole. You can't just, it's just not a good slice and eating with eggs ham. So I'm gonna see if the chickens will eat it. Champ, do you like ham? Champ, do you like ham? Here's you a piece of ham. Yeah, he likes ham. I've got some ham that I've cut up. I've eaten all we're gonna eat, and we're gonna see if the chickens like it. Let's give them a little foretaste. I like to kind of get them a little worked up. Now, as you can see, there's grain on the ground in there. They've been fed. They're not starving. But watch what happens when you throw ham in there. Oh, that one's got it. The race is on. Look, it's total chaos. It's a grudge match. Alright, now that we got them distracted, let's throw some more in here. Here's a piece for you and you. You and you. Here's a big piece. Here's one so big they can't run off with it. Alright, I'll set you up and let you watch the carnage. Here you go, Mr. Rooster. Do you want a bite? You want another bite? Want a bite? Do you want a piece, Mr. Rooster? Watch this. Y'all want to see Champ catch it? Sit. Can you catch it? Yep. He got it. Garden's looking a lot better. Need to get out in here and get some things planted. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.